Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Santa going down the chimney. So let's get started. To draw this cute Santa, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across. Let's say about right here. And draw another circle. From there I'm just going to add a little highlight right here. And shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So from there, let's go ahead right in the center and we're going to draw an oval for the nose. Right in between. And then let's draw his big mustache. So we're going to come about right here in the center of this oval. I'm going to come right under the eye, curve, and we're going to go down. And let's end it about right here. So we need to imagine that he has a face right here. We need to draw a curve. So we just want to go way past. So same thing over here. Curve, go under the eye, and go up. So about right there. And we're going to come right in the center and go up and connect. So about right here, come down. Whatever is easiest. Oops, I'm going to go down a little bit more on my curve. And so same thing. And connect. There. And then let's come right back up over the eyes and we're just going to draw a soft curve. And round it off and thicken these brows. So same thing here, right over the eye. And thicken it up. There. And then let's come in between this mustache right here, this curve, and we're just going to draw a soft curve, a little mouth, and then right back to this area. So let's say the brow. Let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve. So it's going to hit the mustache. Same thing right here, and just draw a curve. So just for the face. So that's why we wanted the mustache to come nice and wide and out. So let's bring this up a little bit more, past the brows a little bit, and now that we're about the same level, let's go ahead and we're going to come out about right here and just going to draw a curve right over for the hat. So about right there. Create this big curve, and then let's come right here, we're going to round it off, give it a little bit of wobble, same thing, give it a little wobble, and then connect it once again for the top. So this is the white part of our hat. And before we finish that top part, let's come back down here to draw the beard. So let's bring this down and here as well. So now we're just going to go and draw a bunch of curves to make this beard nice and full. So I'm just going to bring this down. If you're not comfortable drawing these curves, you can just make it smooth. It's all up to you. But I want to bring this down so it's a little bit lower towards the center, about right here. And then go right back and connect it. There. So now we have our beard in. Let's draw the body. So nice and wide, so say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and another curve. And let's bring this down a little bit more. About right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. So right here is going to be where the chimney starts. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line across. About right there. And then let's round this off for our chimney. And bring this down. So we're just going to bring this down to draw some snow that's on our chimney. So it's just like drawing frosting. We're just going to go up and down. Sometimes lower. It's all up to you. Have fun with this. And bring all the way across. And one more. There. And then let's come in a little bit right here. And we're going to draw a straight line down to about there. And same thing here. And now that we're pretty even, I'm just going to cut it off with another straight line. If you want to go all out and draw the top of the house and all that, definitely do that as well. But I'll just end the drawing right here with a line. There. Okay, and then let's make this look like, since I'm down here and I'm jumping all over the place, but since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead, make this look like a chimney with some bricks. So I'll just draw a straight line across. And I'm going to come in here and draw some bricks. So bring in some straight lines. And we're going to stagger our lines. And probably have another line here, huh? Okay, so there, and then another line. There. Okay, so we have our bricks, and now we definitely have a chimney, right? Okay, now let's draw our hands. So nice and simple, I'm just having Santa's hands go up. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Right there. Go connect it with an angle. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for the hands. Very simple. And right here, add a little white trim. And so same thing on the other side. About right here. And we're going to do the same thing. So it's a little bit easier for my hand to draw downwards on this side. So I'll come about right there. And connect. Once again, the white trim. And the hand. And let's put in some details on his coat right here. So I'll come to the center about right here. And draw his belt buckle, part of it, and draw his belt coming through right there, and then right in this area, the white trim on his jacket and the center line there. So now to finally draw his hat, I'm going to come up right here, give it a little soft tip at the top, come right back down to the right here, and then I'm just going to draw that poof ball. So right here, I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves. So that's why I wanted to wait until the end to draw Santa's hat, because the hand is in the way. Let's see here, got a little line right here for some detail, and of course I'm going to add a heart right here to make him my Draw So Cute Santa going down the chimney. And I think that's pretty much it. I'll just come in here and shade this in all black, and I can't wait to draw more Christmas drawings for you, and I really hope I inspire you once again this year. It's always the most fun time of the year to draw for you, because it's just so cute, all the Christmas drawings that we can do right together. Okay, so that is pretty much it, and like I said, I really hope you love this drawing and that inspires you to draw it, and I made it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.